part 2 again. Part 2. We are here. Because, hey, yo, man, bruh, there are people in my comment that am fed. Run it back. I am here to run it back. What is up? But anywho, yo. Hey, if you haven't listened to the part 1, I'm thinking we are back at it. Bruh, this album. Ooh. Hey, I didn't say fall now. Anywho, yo, hold on. Let me turn off my Wi-Fi, bro, because now people was all over phone. So anyway, welcome back. It's Bamboo part 2 right now, right? Nope, I'm not. So sit to part 2. Utulisa umsindo. So the last song we reacted to was Uthwalizolo. So namhlanje we are reacting to Ubuhle Bokukholwa ngangisesonweni umusa kaNkulunkulu ngiyababaza ngiyabuzwa nonke, if I said that right, kuze kube phakade and sizoshumayela ivangeli bangikwaza bamkwaza ohlangothini. So hold on, let's check. So it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then intando yakho, and then sindisa umphefumulo wami and susa icala lami. Yep, so those are the songs that we are reacting to. So without wasting you guys' time, song number 11, Asdume.
Bengihlezi
Yo,
ezonweni.
hang on, hold on. I'm dark over here. I am unseeable. Alright, let's get to it.
Ezonweni.
Ngingaboni
Okay, so go part 2. I'm scared. So I just found out apparently there's 3 ladies, Eba Pekayo, obviously Sonke Sasu, Mom Smangel, and 2 other people, and Bang Ngoma, I forgot now. But they are so good, ne, that they sound like Mom Smangel, because I could hear the difference, and I'd be like, nah, it's Mom Smangel or Pekala. But the voices were so good. Bro, you don't understand, bro. It is actually one of my favorite videos, like Awaza Music. I think that video when they were singing the song, my God, that video had like what, over 1 million. I will leave the link in the description below. So The beginning part of the song says, I was chilling and seeing that I didn't see the beauty of worship. I didn't see the beauty of praising God. I understand. So that's what it basically says. And then after that, it proceeds to say, I found him. Bro, if I hear a gospel song of this, I am coming for their neck. Stop. Because people will be like, yeah, but Zion is gospel. Hey. It's not. Mofunugula.
Oh Lord,
Hey, as in, why you see me like this and then feeling the way I'm feeling is because when you watch that video when they were singing the song, Umam Kama was standing directly behind Wapka. Makwaba laphayana, Umam Smangela was singing her lungs out, bruh. It's photo. This video was shot, I think, 2-3 years ago. But some shot in, I don't know whose wedding it was, bruh. Hey, guys. Hey, Kotaglungi.
Ngokuqala ngayo empilweni yezwa abantu bethu kuthula makwande yezwa abantu bethu kuthula mfundisi ngokuqala empilweni yezwa abantu bethi kanti usuyakhona
And I want you to attentively listen to this song. This song has a perfect structure. Ne? La leli pheko la leli soprano uze I alto, ne? Kodwa itena trust is nice and low, bro. Ne? Ulalele. Just listen to it, bro. I'm telling you. Also, I'm like a Spotify when this man start humming, it will sting you, bro. It's okay.
washintsha impilo yami Jesu washintsha impilo
Kitty, I will put the link of this song in the Uzoyizwa. Uzoyizwa kahle. Okay, moving on to the 12th song. Yeah. Ngangise sonweni. Guys, awa, soze. 12 songs. All right, so yeah, nah, back to the ads again because now for the Spotify, so ads will always be there, and there's nothing I can do about it. But now, for real, bro, this album exceeded my expectations. One thing about me is that I hardly have your expectation when it comes to these things. I just get there and I just listen, bro. I wasn't expecting what I'm hearing, bro. Like none whatsoever, bro. That's why I need to. Who made him mad? Really move and make him more mad. This time, I will keep a thirsty. I didn't mind to keep back on that. That, bro, seriously, like, what is going on? Anywho, we are moving on to still have another ad. So we're moving on to the 12th song, which is Ngangise Zonweni. That is the name of the song. That was difficult. Yeah. So there's ads here. There's nothing I can do, bro. There is nothing I can do. So, yep. Let's just wait for it. It's almost done. That's dumb. Yeah. Okay, since that's okay. Because Spotify is acting on me right now. I see. Let's use YouTube. All right. Trust. That's why I prefer using YouTube over other social platform because YouTube it's a bit straightforward compared to other platforms. Trust in Christ is straight. Release. Okay. So there will definitely be ads here. All right. So yeah. Okay, now being says so let's just see what I'm gonna add. There is an ad. Another one, DJ Khaled. So the song is 4 minutes long, in a 337 views. So let's get to it.
afinye lela kimi
Ivangeli
You all can expect me to break down Ngomeni Zazi. Awa, soze. Ngeke sibali. Bro, I know it's not Mom Smart backing you, but whoever is backing you are doing an amazing job. Nah, like seriously. Like, CT nile. When you eliminate jealousy and competition, you get the best abilities of everyone. The delivery will be consistent, bro. Consistent and serious as a heart attack. Weasel, did you hear that? On YouTube, guys. That was nasty. We're moving on to the 13th song, which is Umusa Kankulunkulu. Let's just see. There's no ad. Oh, yes, there's an ad first. Excuse me, so the song has 361. Oh, my bad.
Kankulunkulu
Now, this is the third song, right? And again, if you were listening to the first song spoke about the need and you being one with God. And we're already on the third song, on the 13th song. And you see, it's a good, that's why I was like, the questions I have is to, why like this? Why such a structure? Like, this man name matches the song that he chose. The title, Bro, what do you mean, bro? Guys, come on, man.
Umusa, wokuthunyelelwa
He's on the face, he's on the face. The precision of Ipe's God, like, bro. If you trust the flowers, my niggas, I just say, my dogs, here you go. Like, for real, like, this is insane. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Zishumusa kasomandla zishumusa ongabheka ukuthi uyisoni kangakanani zishumusa umusa oke wathozana sizothetha indaba noma izihono zenu sibuka zisho lowo musa zisho lowo musa wanele The way this song has no gaps in between, it sounds insane. Because listen to the way Etana comes in. It's as if Etana works as a backer. You understand? Like, listen to this, bro. Just listen. Spoken about swing up, swing. No. Remind them who you is. Remind them who you is. Hi, 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 hi. Just listen. Ah! Hi! Welcome out. Malele, as in lomkwatisile right, is grand. No. Kolele welcome. Isixolele. Like this thing will be stuck at the back of my head right now. Isixolele. Isixolele besingazi. Forgive us. Yo. Thank you. Hey guys, hey, bruh. Hey, don't forget who this man is. Ish. Yo. Yo, Nkosi yami. Yo. Hey. Hi. Skipper, who made you mad? Bishop, who made you mad, bruh? No, man, some time. You have to go find this person. Ha! Sure. Moving on to the 14th song, which is Niyabizwa Nonke. Uyangibamba. Spawn ad, then ad. Yep, there is an ad. Quiet on set. So the song has 487 views. Please make sure you like it and comment in, please.
Namhla niyabizwa niyabizwa
My back as a trust. How do you guys maintain such a high level? Like, how do you guys do that, bro? Like, how do you guys do that? Like, it's difficult to hear it. Like, it is difficult. You would think Ugutu Mams Mangan is backing the whole 14 song I've listened to. Cut I. Maybe back it with my 8 to 9 or 10. Max. 11. Coxma, guys, we need to do something for that lady, bro. That lady needs to be appreciated because what do you mean, bro? Oh, man. Alright, this is right here. Guys, I'm so sorry. I got taken away. It's been a minute since I've listened to it just properly. Not Baba when they singing Baba. I mean like that music. It's been a while, bro. They are playing with my emotions right now, bro. They are playing with my emotions. This song is so nice. It's so soothing. It's chilled. It is just nje. It's calm, bro. Like, oh my god. There's another voice I'm hearing, but man, if it's a male or it's a female, if you high tenor or a second backer, what is going on? I want this element of surprise that you guys have on this album is insane. Amen, 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 the 15th song is Kuze Kube Phakathi. I've heard this song before. Kuze Kube Phakathi. Sorry. So the song is 493. Make sure you like Yaza Skaga ina good. Eish. Skesizwe. Skaga ina good. Yeah. Hold on, I wanna check something. Yeah. Continue from where we left off. Astume.
Gweliga yise
this song even began, I said, bruh, I feel like the alto is gonna cook. What are they doing? They dishing now. You missed the whole sauce. The entire thing. on to the 16th song. Sizo Shumayeli Vangeli. So the song has 344 views. I'm ngilalela via YouTube because wow, Spotify being goodness. This is the first time me hearing this song. I ain't gonna lie, bro. These are fast, bro. These are, oh my god. That's why I'm sitting here and I'm like, at the back of my head, it's more of like the second part of this. It's more of a plea. You understand? It's more of a God notices. It's more of a plea. That's why I was like, yo, bro, let me cook, let me land. Erigilande. Let me land. Yes. This bass is too powerful, bruh. Fake bassing, but it's been the thing. You trust the bass aloud, you can't play with it. So the song says, please be patient with us, Jesus, until we get there and we preach the word. Please be patient. That's why I was like, sorry for that. So I was like, I'm listening to all these tracks, bro. And Mo Shade, and you are here, you're like, okay. Then you, hey, nah, bruh. You all need to ask him about the breakdown of this. Why this type of songs, and what prompted him to take this type of, like, why, like, bro, ish.
Sethembisa sizoshumayela, sethembisa sizoshumayela, sizoshumayela, sishumayela sethembisa sizoshumayela, sethembisa sizoshumayela, shumayela ivale
Moving on to the 17th song, Bamkwazi Ohlangothi. Ohlangothi! I don't know what Ohlangothi mean, bro.
Lithethiwe lona watholakala yena
Sando sangeni
selithethiwe lona watholakala yena
Bro, the amount of talent is a Christ. It's a trust, guys. No. No, I don't think it's also spoken enough about, bro. The talent is insane, bro. It is insane. I'm hearing someone Okona lana Utulala, we youth president or something, but it's part of a youth. I'm like, what? What? Yo! Hey!
Bamkwazi ohlangothini Bamkwazi ohlangothini waphuma amanzi Jesu sasindiswa ngalelo
Come, you have to go and trademark. Yo, that thing is yours and yours alone. And I'm going to abuse it, bro. Yo. No, guys, this song is short. No, long on Fisher. Nah, guys. The song is short. Too short. The song is too short, bro. This song is too short, bro. Song is too short. So we're moving on to the 7th song, which is Intando Yak. I hope I said that right. So the song has 275 against Mamelanga YouTube. Please do go check it out.
yenziwe mayenziwe intando
The song is straightforward. Let your will be done. I see. Guys, it's the amp again. Give me a moment, y'all. Hey, my apologies, man. This amp is getting old, but anyway, go back from last Mekon.
Sitha somuntu yinhliziyo
Hey, what's that so fast?
Mayenziwe, 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 mayenziwe indondo. Yo, 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 yo. Mayenziwe indondo.
Anywho, the 19th song. Sindisa umphefumulo wami. The song has 483 subscribers.
Jehovah sindisa.
The song is 6 minutes long.
Ngakhala kuJehova yena Jehovah sindisa.
Mm, mm, mm. Ish. Song choice. I am still saying song choice. This was deliberate, bro. It wasn't just jazz. Let's just pick for Sindisa umphefumulo wami. Konke umzimba engidlula kuwo because we struggle. They kodwa uke washo wathi kokukholwa avuma mata. Guys. Again. Last song part 2 is Susa Icala Lami. The second part is really soothing, slow jam. You know, it's just soft. You understand? It's just soft. So the song is 325 views.
Khangela
naye Kalvari, ukholo lwami.
Ukhangela kuwe mvana yaseCalvary ukholo lwami. Lokhangela kuwe mvana. So ukhangela is to search. So the song says, I'm searching for my faith in you, Lamp of Calvary. So I'm like, the second part of this album is soothing. I understand it because when you look at the first 10, it was nothing but just high in intensity, energy, young toy. It was, and then when you get here, it calms you down. It regulates you. You know, it makes you want to listen. That's why I find it's not too fast-paced songs, but I'm slow jams. Damn.
Izwe ngithanda
is spoken about that much, bro, because of how subtle they are, bro. They are literally carrying the song right now. Oh my god. Ngiyazi ukuthi Itena always gets overshadowed by a bass and the alto, but dog, Itena is the mediator between the two. And if I were Yizo, may the Lords be with you.
Oh
Whoa. Hey. Aye. Yo. Another one. Aye. Guys. Yo. Yeah. Hey. So, the second part of this album, it's more of it's more of a worship part, very subtle. More is part one. You can hear the shift. It's like a pleading to God and worship at the same time. Like telling God of His worth and how much you want God to be in your life and how much you need Him and how good He is. You understand? That's why I need Him money. Assignment understood. Yeah. Hi guys. So we are for the part three because I'm really, really, really excited for the third part of this album. So that part I'm gonna drop it tomorrow on Asdeni, but tomorrow yeah dropper. So hey yo, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, bruh. And share to others as well. There's a lot of content on this channel. So in the favorite bit of 3 I'm signing out. Adios.